riding deep in the suburban. Up all night, yeah, damn, got me lurking.
If you know this, y'all need to sing it. Let's go.
All black AK, see me, I'm swerving. At least who got the 40 riding deep in the suburban. Up all night, yeah, damn, got me lurking. This chopper going stupid, but my 38's working. I know I look good, but I look better in person. I look like my father, but I'm the better version. I ain't going broke, cause a nigga always working. Bitch Filipino and the other one is Russian. Tats on my face and my chest too. Yiggies on my head. Every day I got a right to. Yeah, I love this chopper, so you know I have to cop too. Brand new teeth and my bitch look good too. I got a Glock and I also got a chop too. Knock a nigga down if it really wanna speak. Look, I'm the top hat, little nigga wear equal. That super look nice, but my ammo ain't legal. Hey. All black AK, see me, I'm swerving. At least I got the 40 riding deep in the suburban. Up all night, yeah, damn, got me lurking. This chopper going stupid, but my 38 working. All black AK, see me, I'm swerving. At least who got the 40 riding deep in the suburban. Up all night, yeah, damn, got me lurking. This chopper going stupid, but my 38's working. I'm a North sack, baby. Truly's always sad cause my 45 heavy. Fucking new bitch in my 88 Chevy. All these bitches love me, but these pussy niggas hate me. I got good aim, baby. She right in the foreign, I don't do the real, baby. 50 in the chopper, so you know I'm always ready. When I slap the drum, it just make the chopper heavy. I suggest you don't speak about me. Only brands that I like is Glocks and HDs. You should just pop up and get like me. Leave him like his brother stamped on white tees. Fuck them all. I ain't tripping that it's like if these niggas run up, then these suckers gon' die. I ain't tripping, little nigga, it's on sight. On my mama, they gon' meet this 45, huh? On my mama, they gon' meet this 45, huh? On my mama, they gon' meet this 45, huh?
LA, I need you to make some noise for Chito.